The top 3 websites to find legit work from home jobs. Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman String. And now this channel is primarily all about affiliate marketing, network marketing, being your own boss, how to do side hustles. But my channel actually started as a work from home jobs channel where I pretty much would just talk about, work from home jobs that's available. And even though this channel is primarily about being your own boss and different side hustles, some of my subscribers still are interested in finding legit work from home jobs, and ain't nothing wrong with that. So throughout the years, there have been 3 main websites that I would check on a regular basis for work from home jobs that I could do videos on. It doesn't matter if you don't have any experience. It doesn't matter if you are looking for a part-time job, if you're looking for a $10 an hour job or a $50 an hour job. These sites have those opportunities on them. So if you are serious about finding a work from home job, you will want to bookmark these websites and check them on a daily basis, because these websites are pretty popular and heavily visited on a daily basis. It makes it, pretty competitive to get some of the jobs that they have listed. So the key to getting hired to one of these jobs is to check these sites frequently and apply to them as fast as you can. And all 3 of these sites also have different side hustle opportunities where you can earn some extra cash. All right, so here are the top 3 sites that you need to be checking on a daily basis. The first one is realwaystoearnmoneyonline.com. And the next one is ratracerebellion.com. And last but not least, workersonboard.com. So if you are looking for a work from home job, you will definitely be able to find one on one of these sites. Now, if you are looking for another way that you can start earning some money online and how I make money online every single month, you want to watch this video right here, right now.